Good day, traders. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com coming live with some price action on the binary markets. Currently 9:52 a.m. June 5th, 2013. Looking at the Euro USD. It is Wednesday, hump day. Hope everyone's having a good week. Make sure you guys are commenting, liking, sharing. And we're looking at 130.63 level. Looking at this area of support. News came out 8:15. ADP jobs report. It's like a little heads up for the non-farm payroll that's set to come out on Friday. So we are looking at this particular trade. I'm looking for a call option. I'm still seeking to the north side here. Price has been up pretty good over the past. It hasn't really been up. We've been in this range for like 3 months, and I'm looking to continue this direction right now. In at 1.3066.3. I do like my entry here. I'm feeling this is going to be like the stranglehold, like the consolidation area just below pivot, get back to pivot, formulate maybe some more resistance here, and then get back up to this area. So when the news came out, remember when news comes out, all lines are pretty much diminished. You just got to take them out of the game because price will just flow right through them. And in this candle, you can see on the 5-minute candle, it just busted right through it. So I'm going to go 1-minute chart. You can see it over here. Just took off, busted through the 131, got to new highs for the last month or so. And when that happens, anything can happen. So let me put my marker in for entry. So I don't like using lines for reversals or pullbacks for the first 30 minutes or so after a news event is released. Just make sure you're aware of your entry levels and only take the best trades possible when you're trading around news. Now, this news event is fairly new in the sense that over the last, we've had so many non-farm payroll reports every month for so many years. This ADP news event on Wednesday, I think was put in to diminish the blow that comes in on Friday. Used to be huge moves on Friday. Now we're only seeing huge moves every other month or so, maybe every third month on the non-farm payroll report. Because this report gives you enough information that unless there's a significant change on the non-farm payroll report, you're not going to see the moves that we just saw right here, which went from 30.66 to 30.09 in like 2 minutes. So we're talking about 50 pips. I feel if the news is pretty poor or pretty good on Friday, we will see 100 pips. I think we're going to break out. I mean, if the news is in favor of the euro, we're going to break through this level because if you look on a daily chart, we just can't get through this 32 number, and we're obviously not getting through the 27.50 number. So we've just had this range for the last since March, even February, of just this tight range of 32 to 27, which is a 500 pip range. And just prior to that, we peaked out at the 137. So we'll see what happens on this particular trading week because it is a news event. And I hope you guys are all trading smart and taking the best trades possible. So we are in this thing. Currently in favor, pretty good. 4 minutes, 15 seconds to go. Currently up about 5 pips, but anything can happen right now. But I'm feeling pretty good at the moment. You can see our entry in the green candles going in our direction. So if we get back to the pivot in the next 1 or 2 candles, we should have a winner without any problem. Yesterday was pretty wild. We had that pretty much a loser until the last 10 seconds. We had a jumper candle right before the U.S. markets opened. I heard someone lost because of it, and I'm sure a couple of people won because of it, like me. It had the trade. There must have been an influx of cash or something happened causing the euro to climb right at the last second, giving us a winner. So right now this looks like a pretty standard trade. Entry was good. You can see the support here, all these wicks on 1 minute, and the climb back up to the pivot. So until this area breaks, I'm going to trade. I'm going to be in this good. I think I'm in a good spot right now. So I'll wait till it gets to pivot. And then if we get to resistance 1 and the 131, that might be an area for a put option if it looks a little weak. If the momentum's building, I will only take call options on pullbacks. And we got 3 minutes to go, so we're in the no trading zone right now. I'm going to pause. Currently up about 7 pips. And we'll come back and finish this baby up. Okay, guys, we are in this final minute here. We're finishing up in pretty good shape, I would say, getting up to the pivot like I thought we would do. And if it should hold, we will have a winner chicken dinner and move on with our day. Hope you guys have a good day as well. And we're going to walk away with a nice winner here, probably a good 8 pip, maybe 9 pip winner. We'll take those all day, every day. And we are hitting resistance again, so I don't expect it to push through the pivot at this moment. We're getting up to the 10 o'clock range. Just a nice trade, smooth, no pain. Whoa! Anyone catch that? Did you guys just see that? This was what happened yesterday. That was pretty interesting. News event. Let me go check this out real quick. Go to, bear with me here. Obviously, it finished in the green. ISM non-manufacturing PMI came out at 10 o'clock. Obviously, look at the price now, looking really good. So I'm glad you guys caught that. That was an interesting wick here. I don't think that's going to be a factor in the binary markets, but let's go check out, make sure we have a confirmation on that one, and we'll check and see. Okay, this trade closed out, or got in at 1.30663 and closed out at 1.30739. Solid winner. We're talking about 7-8 pips here. Just a smooth winner at Traderush today. Let's go check out the chart one more time and see what's happening. It's currently 2 minutes after 10 o'clock. Okay, so here it is. This is the closing candle here. You can see it says 1659. Which is actually the closing candle of 10 o'clock. Then we had this news event that came out. Boom, jumped down. Actually went against us, I think. It might have stayed in the green anyway, but then it jumped up, and now we're reaching some new highs over the last hour or so, catching this 130.84 level. So the next stop is the 131. We blew through pivot pretty well using the news event. I was not aware of the 10 o'clock event. This wasn't significant by any stretch, but if you're on the right side, it feels really good as a Forex trader, and if you're on the wrong side, it feels really bad as a Forex trader. So either way, it was a winner, and it's nice to see it keep going in our direction, but that was some weird price action right at the 10 o'clock hour. Fortunately for us, our trade was over. Actually, it wouldn't matter because it's now 10 pips above where we got our strike price closed out. So just a great trade today. So we'll move on, and we'll continue trading tomorrow, Thursday. We hope everyone has a good week. And if you have any questions, leave them below. Make sure you share, comment. Check out the chart setup video if you haven't done that. You can get all the lines that I have, not the purple lines. Purple lines are added by me and by you guys. The whole numbers, for example, I put in, and old trading spots that worked out really well. And actually, you can see this one working out pretty good at the moment. These 1 minute candles cannot get through, so we'll see if that gets through or not. And we'll move on. So have a good one, everyone. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com, and this was the Trade of the Day.